Now, for LinkedIn, the process is similar, but you need super administrator rights to integrate your account. Click the plugin icon, select Manage LinkedIn Connection, and follow the steps in the pop-up. If you run into any issues, check out the support article linked on the page or below this video. You'll receive a notification once the integration is successful. Once connected, go to Project Settings, open the Additional Sources tab, and enable LinkedIn Profile Monitoring. Just like with Facebook and Instagram, you'll need to add this source separately to each project. Since Brand24 relies on official APIs from Meta and LinkedIn, the data we collect depends on what these platforms allow. To understand any limitations and what kind of data you can track, check out the articles linked below. And that's it! Now you know how to integrate Meta and LinkedIn accounts to get the most out of your social media monitoring. If you have any questions, check out the resources below or reach out to our team.